Okay,
कोण होता नी
welcome to the English
आवाज
class.
देखत नाही ते
I will start. The chapter Nina and the Baby Spiders. Nina, do you know about Nina? Previously, I have discussed she's not happy. She is unhappy. Now, see, baby spiders. This is your chapter 4. Chapter 4. Did it start today, 20, I think 7. So, in this story, let's try to know why she's unhappy. Why she's unhappy. Now, we will discuss about her. Do you know about a wedding? A wedding means a marriage party or ceremony. And a marriage party takes place in your own homes or in relations. How do you feel in a wedding? You feel happy? Okay, children? You feel happy. But Nina, all are going to attend the wedding. All are going to attend Nina's aunt wedding. Everyone was happy. But do you know about Nina? She's not happy at all. She's unhappy. So, in this story, you try to find out, you try to know why she's not happy, why she's unhappy. What is bothering her? What is disturbing her? What happened to her? Why she doesn't want to go to wedding? So we have to explore out all answers about that particular girl. So be attentive and try to understand. Look at a page number 15, 1 5. Her father, mother, and little brother all have to go to the wedding. Where? All have to go to Delhi. Delhi. Know about Delhi? National capital of India. Delhi. You can see in a map. So only Nina is unhappy and except her. Everyone ready to go there. Everyone is going. Means all her family members are going to Delhi to attend the wedding, except her mother takes her to the market. Let's go to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. Mother asked Nina, what color do you like? Nina told. Nina told mother, her mother, I don't want a new dress. Why is it so? What happened to her? Why doesn't she want to purchase anything from market? Why doesn't she purchase new dress? Afterwards, Nina you will see salwar kameez. She didn't say anything else. Means what here? She was quite silent. She didn't reply at all. And she shook her head like this.
You are mute. You should say them. See them.
She said nothing. She didn't reply at all. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those. Either. Thank you, mom. Thank you, mother. I don't want new dress. I don't want a pair of shoes. What is she feeling? Nobody knows about her. She's not feeling well. Nina's mother upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. They came back from the market. They didn't purchase anything from the market, and they had lunch. And after having lunch, mother came and sat beside Nina. She wanted to know Nina's problem. What is it, child? She asked. Miss Nina's mother asked. What is it, child? Why did you say no to everything? We went to market and I asked her, what color do you like? What dress do you like? What shoes do you like? But you were quite silent there. You didn't purchase anything from market. What is that? What is your problem? What is bothering you? Just tell me. I'm your mom. I'll help you. Now, see here. Yes, I don't want to go to bedding. But why? Why don't you? Not go to the wedding. Why don't you want to go to the wedding? Do you go to the wedding? No. I'm not interested at all. I'm not feeling well. So I don't want. You should ask, sir. You should ask. You should ask. Ajit sir, ask. They are listening. Yes. Is clear, beta? My voice is clear? They are not speaking, sir. I think they are mute. See. Nina said nothing.
I'm getting a voice, sir. I'm getting.
Nina,
I'm getting.
no, sir.
आपकी आवाज आ रही है? Hello.
Nothing.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
We
yes,
are
yes,
getting,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We are getting.
Sir.
Good.
Sir.
Yes, beta. Listen. Okay. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears. Two big tears started rolling down her cheeks, down her Nina's cheeks. And afterwards, mother put her arms around Nina, just like that. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? What's disturbing you? Tell me. What is your problem? Tell me. I'll solve that problem. So here, you just try to say, more tears started rolling down Nina's cheeks. More tears. You look at a picture and then you just try to understand it better. See, tears are here. She said, there is a Spyro next on the bookshelf in my room. And there are the two baby Spyros in that next. Have you seen, Mom? Have you ever seen that next? Have you ever seen two Spyros? Yes, I have seen. I see. I just see. And they are just a beginning. To get their feathers. So feathers are coming out. They are just growing up. They are just getting their feathers. Their feathers are coming out. And they always want food. They always ask for food. They are always thirsty. They always cry, cheep, cheep. Have you seen, Mom? I see, said mother. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. Either the window, either the door, either the room, everything will be locked. When we go out, the whole place the whole house will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama Sparrow come and go to feed their babies? Oh. So, is that your problem? How will they come and go to feed their babies? How will they feed their babies freely, easily, comfortably? So that is your problem. If everything will be locked, door will be locked, room will be locked, whole house will be locked perfectly. So how will they come? How will they enter the room? And how will they feed their babies? That is a problem of Nina. Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Hug means what? As a mom, a mother shows his deep affection, love towards her babies, towards her son or daughter. So Nina's mother wanted to show his too deep affection towards Nina. She was showing. And then what happened? See. Yes. So that's why you don't want to go to the wedding. Oh, I have got your problem. Yes. But there is no problem at all. I will solve your problem. Problem may not be something tougher. It may be solved. I'm your mom. Trust me. I'll help you. Don't worry at all. Don't worry about the baby spiders. We will leave the window open so that Mama and Papa Spyro will come and go freely. They will feed the babies by coming and going freely. So they come and go easily. They come and go to feed their babies comfortably. Yes. There should be no problem. Yes. The window will be open. We will let the window open. We will keep the window open. We will not close the window. Yes. They will come and go freely. They will feed their babies freely. Yes. There should be no problem for them. Now, oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. The whole house will be perfectly safe, and Papa and Mama Spyro can come and go freely. Just think, Nina, just think. You just enjoy yourself at a wedding, and on the same time here, the two baby Spyros will be enjoying themselves. Means what? They will be getting fat. They will be getting healthier. They will be getting start in the next. Good idea is it. So really, it is a very good idea, Mom, and you helped me and you gave a right solution for my problem. Thank you, Mom. I'm very happy. This is a very good idea, yes. Undoubtedly, I can say yes, this is a very good idea, yes. And it was a good idea. When Nina came back and saw the two plump little sparrows, they were flying all over the room. And by seeing the baby sparrows, Nina was very much happy. Nina was very, very happy. When she saw the little sparrows and they were flying all over the room, so she was very, very happy. Now, I have explained your chapter beta in English. Is there any doubt? Market, I have already discussed about the word market. Market is the place where we purchase what? Sell the required things. Market. We have to go to market to buy vegetables. We have to go to market to buy a new dress. A market looks like this, yes. See the picture, market, yes. So available in your book, yes. Is there any problem with that? No. Bother, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't bother about my health. Don't bother about my home. Don't bother about what? The little sparrows. They will be quite well. They will be quite safer there. And they will be getting fat day by day in their next. And ultimately, they are able to fly freely, yes. After that, they have grown up. Yeah. Problem, difficulty. There is no problem at all, yes. I have no problem at all, yes. Dress, my dress is new. My dress looks very beautiful, very attractive, yes. I'm wearing a white dress, red dress, you can say. Upset, yes. She was upset. Why? Her father scolded her. Her father scolded her. That's why she was upset. Nina's mother was upset. Why? Nina didn't purchase anything from market. That's why Nina's mom was upset. Remove things from the room. Remove all your things from the room. Remove it from here. Remove it from here. So you can use remove. Remove means to put it out, to take away the things, to get rid of something. Remove. Wedding, marriage party, marriage ceremony, yes. Everybody is highly excited to attend a marriage party, yes. Wedding, marriage party, marriage ceremony. And on that occasion, you are able to enjoy different kind of dishes. You are able to visit different persons, maybe your relatives, maybe your friends. But it's such a precious moment. Everyone wants to enjoy. Lovely means attractive, beautiful, lovely. See, lovely. She's a very lovely kid. Plump, the little sparrows were quite plump. Chubby. Understand? So I have explained yes now here. See. Now, okay, see.
इंसाफ नहीं आ रहा
Very good.
में
Hello? Listen to me. I'm getting a voice. I'm getting a voice.
Speak loudly.
Yes, beta. I'm getting a voice. Yes.
Sir, speak is not loudly. Sir, speak loudly. Sir, speak is not loudly.
Stop.
Sir, speak loudly. मत करिएगा।
But one thing is clear now. I'm getting a voice clear. Oh, beta, I'm getting a voice. Listen to me. Wait. Okay. See? Now,
is not clear.
right. Ankit Kumar Yadav, Arun Yadav, raise your hands. Are you getting my voice? Everyone is getting my voice. It's okay, beta. Yes. See, but I think voice is clear. Sing properly. Everyone sing properly. Gauri Pandey, Varun Yadav, Jagiti. Yeah.
Sir, voice is not coming. Sir, आवाज क्लियर नहीं हो रही है. Sir, आवाज तेज नहीं आ रही है.
Voice is not.
Sir, voice is not coming. Sir, आवाज तेज नहीं आ रही है.
Hello? My voice is clear, beta? Are you getting my voice? Hello? 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 Are you getting my voice? My voice is clear? Okay, good. What's that? Okay. Now see. Okay. Reading is fun. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was a great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married. Her aunt was getting married. This is your answer. I repeat it once again. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina's aunt getting married. Here, why was Nina buried? Why was Nina buried?